so this was a first-in-human phase 1 trial studying this molecule INCA32459 in selected malignancies and focused in melanoma, particularly. This was a PD-1 LAG-3 bispecific, which is one of the novelties, not just the targeting of both signals, but doing it with a bispecific, which is different from other approaches which are already validated. I think in a nutshell, the rationale is there to target LAG-3 as a co-inhibitory signal, which is co-expressed with PD-1 in T cells which are exhausted. So what we want to do here is essentially to overcome immune resistance, either primary or secondary. This trial enrolled approximately 50 patients. Most of them, well, not most, but in the highest proportion were melanoma, triple-negative breast cancer, nasopharyngeal carcinoma. And we saw from a safety perspective that there was not a big difference compared to previous targeting of PD-1, for instance, the PD-1 PD-1 axis. Essentially, I can recall the DLT was achieved, and we saw 2 cases of myocarditis, which were fortunately quickly resolved with steroids. And the rest of the side effects were easy to manage, not limiting, and again, not very different from what's already established. And in regards to efficacy, this trial showed approximately a 20% overall response rate and approximately 45% of DCR patients achieving stability. And we may consider these results in light of the fact that 2/3 of the patients had previously received and progressed to immune checkpoint inhibitors, which makes them particularly valuable. Finally, I think from a PK/PD perspective, there were no relevant signals in the sense that PD-1 occupancy was observed, PKs were linear. I mean, there was nothing really extraordinary from that. So suggesting that pursuing further development of the agent would be a good idea and good potential. Unfortunately, this trial was stopped early, but this was essentially due to sponsors' decision and in line with their pipeline strategy, but not due to safety concerns or other issues in terms of efficacy or pharmacodynamics kinetics.